how much of your sample are you really seeing? Traditional methods sort particles, but don't truly understand them. Meet the BeVision D3 Series. The dry dispersion unit features automatic funnel height adjustment, intelligent feeding rate control, and guide slot spacing optimization to ensure optimal dispersion. Powered by dynamic imaging technology, the BeVision D3 Series captures high-resolution images of every particle across a wide size range. The basic camera system captures coarse particles, while the zoom camera system detects fine particles, enabling complete distribution analysis in a single run. The software decodes complex particle morphologies, such as rod-shaped, near-spherical, and needle-shaped particles. These insights are especially valuable for industries like plastics, agriculture, abrasives, petroleum catalysts, and additive manufacturing. After measurement, all particles are fully recovered in the collection tray. The BeVision D3 Series measures what traditional methods can't define. With full automation, results are delivered within 1 to 3 minutes. You can easily correlate with Sieve results by the built-in tool while enriching your data with high-resolution shape analysis. Visualize everything through an intuitive software: particle size and shape distributions, particle populations, customizable key statistics, and a gallery with details of every particle. BeVision D3 Series. Bring every particle into focus.